If you want to appear offline on TikTok, then here's how to do it. First, open your TikTok application, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on this three horizontal line button at the top right corner. Now you will find this settings and privacy option here. From here, you just need to tap on this privacy option here. Now you will find this activity status. So you can just turn it on to allow others to see that if you're online or offline. So if you tap on that toggle button for once and turn it off, that's when you have just turn your activity or your online status off from your TikTok account. So no one can now notice or get the information about your activity on your account if you are online or offline on TikTok. So that's all. That's how you can just easily appear offline on TikTok. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.